Okay, here is enhancement 4. This is the product management page and the HTML validation for it. This is the add a new product page and the HTML validation for it. This is the new category page and the HTML validation for it. And then this is the CSS validation for the whole site. Let's see here. Let me go through. Okay, that's it. Yeah, so this page pulls up, and when we click on add a product, it pulls to add a product. So that's a part of objective 2. When we add the things, that's part of objective 2. All of these items, it pulls it from this database, or excuse me, from this form into the index control. Let's see here. And when we go from basically this page to either of these two links, it goes properly to those pages to the new category. So that's objective 2. I don't know how to demonstrate this part, but using the MVC structure, I have products index, I have add category PHP, I have the accounts model, product management PHP, add products model, and it all functions according to the way it needs to be set up. And these successfully, and for objective 4, it does insert the data. So one of the examples of this inserting the data is right here for test 22. It pulls that data from that. I've already clicked on adding a category name. And that's also demonstrated by both the IDs of the data points and the name pairs. It pulls up, it's looking for, that's wrong. It's looking for both the add category or add, there's going to be action and whatever the ID is. I think so. That's everything in objective 4. Oh, it also, when those products are added, we get a thanks for adding test 22. That was the test that I added up here. Obviously, it doesn't show up there yet, but and then this one's also thanks for adding number 1. That was the product that I put in here. If I were to do an empty item, it would tell me that it's empty. I think that might have been most of objective 5. So data sent from new category, controller, missing data, new category, data sent from new product is filled and stored. Those are all done. Data missing from the new product is successfully detected and returned to the view. For objective 6, 100% sure how to demonstrate that other than the fact that I have it here, index.php. That's the product view, the products folder. Product index.php, open browser, so that's the file itself. And this all works, so it goes to the add action, add product, which pulls it to this page. And it feels like this one's just a duplicate. Insert a new category, including the data is missing, so I just illustrated that. Insertion of new inventory item, include data missing, subject process, that's also part of it. Validation is there. So objective 6 is complete. And so I think that's everything.